Well, you can do more. Press the thing. Are you playing with your new gumball machine? Careful. More. Here, put it down and I'll show you. You're going to hurt yourself. Okay. Is he in? It's in here? Push this. Uh-oh. Try again. There's more in there. You want to put it back? Okay. Now pull the level. Good job. Yay! Uh-oh, that was a little rough. Let's put it in here nice. Okay, pull the level. More? Go ahead, pull it. Good job. You got 2 that time. You like that ball? That's a gumball. Yeah, I know. You like to throw it. Got more gumballs. Uh-oh. Yeah, why don't we try to keep them in the gumball machine? Just a suggestion. Are you feeling better? No, you sound yucky. This is a yucky cold. Where'd the rest of them go? Uh-oh. Why don't you go get them? You got 2 left. You're so smart. You figured that toy out pretty quick. Good job.